Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Bus station. Asking information.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I want to go to Central City. Which bus should I take?
You need to take bus number 24.
Where can I find bus 24?
It leaves from platform 3.
Is platform 3 far from here?
No, it's just a short walk. Go straight and turn right.
Thank you. What time does the bus leave?
The next bus leaves at 3:15 p.m.
Do I need to buy a ticket here or on the bus?
You can buy the ticket at the counter or pay the driver.
How much is the fare?
It's $5.
Okay. How long does the journey take?
About 1 hour, depending on traffic.
Will the bus stop near the city mall?
Yes, it stops right in front of the mall.
That's perfect.
Please be at platform 3 at least 5 minutes early.
All right. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.